Right now, need to find a bit of wood to make a wee carving here for the World of Wood Carvers. A nice piece of yew right there. Let's see what we've got. A bit of holly. Let's see, what's this? It's nice redwood. How about this? It's nice wee spalted bit. I'll bring these two in. And a wee bit of holly. That's the rest of my pay to have to get all that sorted out. I'm going to go in now because it is absolutely, completely freezing. Check out that bit of yew wood. That's the stuff with the Viking blood in it, Jordy. You see the Viking blood there? It's beautiful. Right, folks. So I brought these two wee bits in from the shed there. You can see that's lovely spalted silver birch. I'm going to do a wee something here for the old World of Wood Carvers. Valentine's Day. I'm thinking I'll put this one over to the side for now. And we'll work on this here. The first thing when I seen that earlier, I was looking at it, I seen this top bit look like a heart. So we'll just see what we can come up with. We'll have a heart here, heart here, heart here. That'll be for my wife, and that's for my two kids. How about that for Valentine's Day? You can't beat that. And you can't do a wee wood carving without sticking a wood spirit in it, so try and pop a wee wood spirit into it here. So, let's get our rocking and rolling. So, here we go. This is how I would change my burrs. Put the safety in, just grab this, give it a wee turn, and that's it. Wee tap as Jordy says. Just pop your new burr in, put it out a wee tiny bit, tighten it up with your hand just grab that. That's our done. It saves you doing all that fidgeting about with a wee spanner jobber. So that's us ready. And we'll get this in and we'll knock her on. I'll maybe stick on a wee bit of music here now because I know you don't like the sound of that drama. Oh, here we go, folks. You can see here I have a rough spirit in here and then 3 wee hearts. I'm thinking what can I do down the bottom here, but I'm thinking maybe just stick the word love in. Because obviously that's what Valentine's Day is all about. I'm going to change the burr over on this wee roto zip. Just cut in some details here and do some undercuts and stuff. It's coming together there now. Couldn't believe that nose breaking off there. Sure, that's the joys of it. Right, I'm gonna get her all sanded up and then we'll see what we've got here for our wee Valentine's Day of love, baby. There we go, folks. We've got the 3 wee hearts. We've got the love. I've got the wee wood spirit in it. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stain it, and then I'm going to sand it up again, just gently around the highlights to so that the stain darkens the back bits. Sand this back up, and then I've one more wee idea I want to do on it. I think it's looking alright. There we go, guys. So you can see I've got the wee dots in it. These ones worked out alright. This was a bit punky. I'm going to have to restain again in a minute and then sand it up. And I'm thinking of doing these ones with just mineral oil. Keep them natural. Right, you can see now I've restained it all. What I'll do now is I'll sand up the highlights on him and clean up the word love. And then I'm going to hit these here with a mineral oil. See how we go. I hit that with a wee bristle brush there, just to bring out the grain more here. You can see the spalted in it. And I'll try and zoom this in. And then I'm going to give it a wee whack with a mineral oil. And we'll see how it turns out. I think it's looking alright. There we go. And we'll continue on. Just some natural mineral oil. But I want to see the spalting in this, so. So, there we go, guys. It is complete. There we go. All good.